September 16th, Saturday. Imitate the Lord. For each tree is known by its own fruit. In today's first reading, St. Paul proclaims that Jesus came to seek and save sinners. We are to see sinners as Christ sees them because this is how He also sees us. We are to love them as Christ loves us. For while we were still sinners, Christ died for us. We are to treat them as Christ has treated us. We are to treat them with the same spirit as Christ treats us. This applies to all of us. Today's Gospel talks about good and evil, and that may be a difficult message to hear. Some people claim to have faith but do not live out of it. The proof is in what they produce. Our actions result from our character, revealing what is real in our hearts. The consequences of our actions cannot be hidden from God, even though we may try to disguise this from others. The choices I make in my life will be reflected in the fruits that those choices produce. Pope Francis encourages us to be people of discernment who know how to identify and choose what is best beyond a black and white attitude. Today's reading provides us with a very basic discernment criterion. What fruit does each choice produce? Let us look at our options and ask ourselves whether we are happy with the fruits we have produced. Prayer and practice. O Lord, fill us with your wisdom and truth, so that we may know whether our life is built on sand or solid rock.